Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'll be reviewing two products that were sent to me by BIQU. The first product is called Panda Shelter, and this is an enclosure for Bambu Lab A1 printer, which can accommodate AMS light. Not only does it allow you to have this enclosure sitting horizontally, you can also stand it upright for those of you who have the top mount AMS. This enclosure is designed to contain harmful particles and VOCs that are usually a byproduct of 3D printing. Some material is more harmful than other plastics, of course, but the idea is that using this enclosure, you are trapping those particles inside the enclosure, and with an external fan, you can exhaust the enclosure to maintain a healthy environment. The enclosure also maintains a stable temperatures to prevent warping of your prints. As you're aware, some prints can begin peeling off from your print bed due to cooling of plastic, which contracts and creates a stress that pulls the corners from your print bed. Besides containing VOCs within the enclosure, it also prevents other contaminants from entering the enclosure to ensure a clean environment for your printer. The next product is called Panda Breath, and this is a smart air filtration and heating system with precise temperature regulation. This works with Bambu Lab A1, P1S, P1P, X1C 3D printers. The key reason you'd want this is if you're using materials such as ABS, ASA, polycarbonate, and other engineering material, as they are more susceptible to temperature fluctuations. The Panda Breath will ensure a static temperature that is ideal for those materials. This device monitors your 3D printer's print bed temperature in real time. When the heated bed reaches preset temperature, Panda Breath automatically turns on, which increases the chamber temperature and activates air filtration system. This ensures that your 3D prints do not develop warping, as it can affect the quality of your prints and overall success of the print. It comes equipped with HEPA filter that needs replacing every 3 to 6 months depending on the usage. You're able to control this device wirelessly using your phone. My favorite function is the filament drying in conjunction with the Panda Shelter that allows me to dry a large batch of filament. If you're interested in purchasing any of these items, I have an affiliate link down in the description. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.